Good morning, good morning. Everybody's eating a little breakfast and here comes Atlas. Good morning.
Good morning.
And you guys know that we're gonna be getting our couches redone, but they're busting out right now. So careful, Atlas, give that to me.
No.
Stop. So I sewed one up and now I'm gonna sew up the other one. I did it yesterday, so I'm gonna have a little coffee.
And guys, let me tell you something. Good morning.
So I'm just gonna have my coffee and sew back up this cushion. Yeah. And I did learn to sew at school.
So people, the Euros continue today, round of 16. Oh, no, Italy gone through. Everybody cares. Many bodies cares.
Just be more balls again today. Great.
Anyway, people. So today is another round of big match. So I'm gonna log off. When I might see my facial expression, Tammy might catch me if any goal score can me really get. So Italy gone through, Denmark gone through, Belgium and Portugal today. Big match that. Get with it. What that's in my mouth? What's in my road?
Your mouth open, that's the problem.
I'm leaving mouth too open. Watch out. Alright guys, today's breakfast name reap what you sow, eat what you grow. You already know. So this is our callaloo and our thing from a garden. Nice callaloo and saltfish MoMo whip up with dumpling and breadfruit. Yesterday was a jam-packed day. We took the whole family on a little mini adventure. I can't wait for you guys to see that. So you guys need to comment and tell us who go on good and who turn up and who show up and how would you guys do if you were in the situation. I also surprised Tammy with a little romantic gift.
A big romantic gift.
A big romantic gift. You guys need to comment and tell us how I did. You know, if my romance turn up in the day they are what go on. And of course, comment on the gift and tell us what you think about it too. You don't know, as usual, we love you guys. Check out the vibes, MTM style. Alright, we have a surprise. We're going to show these guys a vehicle that is older than all of them. It's actually even older than Tammy. I think I am the only one who born before this vehicle was made. No, it's
Where are we going? I've never been around.
Yeah, it's like 39 years old. So here we go. Watch this now. I will also have some other little special features that go and blow on the mind. This is the 1982 Land Cruiser. The very first Land Cruiser on the market. This is it. Revamp, refinish, reset, reprogram. What's up? Check this out. No. Mick, this looks like it defies depreciation at this point, right? It gets more valuable because it's rare.
The the value of I would value this in hundreds of thousands of US dollars.
Exactly, like it's ridiculous. This is a collector's item, people.
Stick drive. Yeah. It took us 5 years.
Wow, collector's item, people. This not normal.
Wait.
Huh?
Jasmine looked at the back here. No, oh, it's a little coach.
Watch it. Now check this out, people.
Oh, it does.
Look at the gear stick.
No, see that.
There is a cassette player. But people,
The stick shift.
Yes.
people,
It's so
do you
long
see
and
that?
skinny.
From a cassette player, you know what we're dealing with. Throwback,
Oh my god.
the ultimate effect.
No, that's how.
So hold on now. You're going to say, boy, I wish them did have a cassette thing where we could have play and show the kids them. But guess what, people? We do have a cassette. Alright, hold on. Yeah, we're going to ask the kids what this is. So, big up to Mick for finding this. And this is not just any normal cassette. Look good, people. Do you see what that said? Okay, Sharon Burke will be very proud. This is 98, fully loaded Stone Love segment. Stone Love standalone. Alright, okay, watch me and then now. Guys, this is a history lesson and a trivia question. What is this?
Pass it around.
Oh, a cassette.
How do you know that?
Right.
You're watching
know
some
things,
videos.
I see
Alright.
him here, me say it lick a while
But
and
do
pick
you,
up.
Gio, Alex, you know what that is, right?
Yeah, when I was little
yeah.
bit, Margie had a couple of these around the house up, so I did get to use them.
Wow.
Walkman thing.
So
How
that's-
about you? You ever?
I watched when I was born. That's what mommy used to record it. So she had to change it to a CD in order for it to fit in the computer.
Oh,
so I
she
got
transfer
yeah.
and
So she
stuff.
Oh no, but
transferred
that's
it.
different. So you're talking about a camcorder tape. That's a
No, this is what it came in, and she had to change it to the CD.
no.
No?
You mean for music?
No,
or for
as in
video?
for the video.
So that's not for video.
Here they know. She confused. She think the video this record.
I know, but it has music, but isn't
No, that's
No, this is a
strictly
different
music.
tape. It's a-
So
it's
then
a
what did
DAT
they used to
tape.
watch movies?
That
like, when they
different.
put it
So
in
that
the-
was strictly audio.
This is strictly audio. This is 90 minutes worth of audio. Them call it a D90. This is a TDK. So this is strictly music. People, I think we need to test out what is on this.
I
if
think
you
we need
can
to test
still
out this
play.
car because I want to see if you can still drive stick shift. I don't think I remember. Do you ever forget? We gonna find out. Look here, boys. Ready? Oh my God, this feels. I feel like I just turned 2.
Oh no.
Is it like a
warp?
normal? Hold on.
Hold on now.
Eject. For sometime that would mean
Next
that
side, try the next side.
Let's try the next side. I'm gonna cry.
People, this is my childhood. Alright, hold on now. I was at this party.
Wind water in your
Live
eye.
and yo.
Oh God.
I was at this party live and direct. This is like 2 years before my bus. So this is when I was 18, me I run the road with me and my brethren them time there. Take me, man, show you the dance them
Ready?
time.
Hey, 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 hey. Yeah. Uh-oh. No, you have to just go to the next side.
Yeah, for just go to the next side. Yeah, there. Who would have thought that a G-Force or Rory or Weepo?
Wait for it.
Yeah, there. Right.
I love it. Alright, so babe.
So,
Big question now. You guys know what all of these pedals do? Clutch, brake, gas. I do not remember this. Wayne, you try first. I think Mick should actually drive.
this not safe, you know.
I would love to try.
At 20 odd years, I've never really driven a stick shift like that. It's been 20 odd years. This either got very funny
It's gonna be funny. You
Very tragic.
or very tragic. No, hold on. The whole MTM I say, hold on, there's a driving instructor Wayne. Automatic alone master.
Wait, I feel like I have to do this barefoot. You know, when girls are to drive, them always drive barefoot, you know.
I real something?
Always drive. I drove barefoot for years. Yes, Jack.
Why?
Because I was scared to drive in shoes, but not anymore. The clutch, I don't know what a clutch is, but you have to sink the clutch to change your gear. This I know.
Every time?
Every time. Every time.
No, come people, this is going to be an adventure. A mini adventure. We can probably take for a little spin.
In the parking lot?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, let's do it.
You know me always up for the challenge.
It's like a tractor.
I'm always up to the challenge, MTM. Don't worry about it.
Which way can we go? That way. You sure you're ready, babe?
Yo, calm down, no man. Come out of your driver's seat now.
Let me just take the clutch. Oh, you have to sing that clutch.
Come out of your driver's seat now.
Alright.
I just want to press the clutch.
I feel like the kids should come out.
Yeah, go on now.
You remember where first is?
This is the family car now. Oh, yes.
It's all on it.
There's no seatbelts. I'm scared.
That's second. First. Alright, let's go. Ah, you're too hard on the gas. Careful. Release the clutch. You got it. Release. Are we gonna stall? No pressure. Release the clutch. Yay! We need to change gear. Second. You're doing it, babe. You're doing it. Blow the horn. Blow the horn. Change gear.
No, we're not missing.
Done. Yeah. Rotted.
Mommy,
And
can we keep this?
how is he going to get into this?
Mommy, can we keep this?
No, we
Wait
can't.
for me.
All the way over.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
All right, ready? Is that reverse?
Supposed to.
That's so funny. We're ready to go forward. Oh, good job, baby. Good job. Good job, baby. Good job. Good job. No rear-facing camera.
No, wow, like I was looking for the camera.
You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Side mirror.
Can we go again?
I am so impressed.
Can we go again?
Neutral.
Can we go again, Mommy?
Soon. Handbrake.
Alright.
Yay! Give him a hand. Give him a hand.
That's so bad for the first round.
No, it's this anti-time.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. That never so bad.
Not bad at all.
I'm gonna stall. I'm definitely gonna stall. Somebody hold my back. I have to take off my shoes. Like I feel like I can't drive stick with shoes on. I need to go up a little.
But this is a vibe. No, I'm not telling a lie. There's something about manual driving that is actually very fun. I forgot.
I'm so nervous. Okay, where is this now? That's a reverse. Alright.
That a one.
No,
should be.
that's one? Yeah. Okay,
Straight
for
up is
neutral.
one. Yes, so straight
One.
up is one.
Then that's two.
No, or yeah, okay. So try find reverse then different.
This is neutral. Up.
You in neutral or in one now? One.
I'm in one.
Okay.
Oh boy. This is
You
not
got
good.
this.
This is not good. Alright. Let's try. I'm gonna stall.
No, man, you have it, man. Like that.
Wait, take that.
You got this. You got this. This is what you call a machine. Jeez. Wow.
That was fun.
Oh, that was really good.
I loved it. I'm telling the boys that they have to learn to drive standard. They're like, no man, just automatic, but this is why.
But you went twice the speed of Wayne.
Not driver. I don't know.
No, that was good
I didn't
though.
go fast enough to get the third. I can I go into third? Can I go into
No, you cannot go into third in the car park.
third? Exactly. It's like, no.
Mickey, I gotta forgive you this for one day. Man.
No problem.
Look here, sir.
Portland. I feel like it belongs in Portland.
It belongs in Portland. The address
My
is
name is
Portland.
Crazy Han.
Yo, that was a vibe.
I know. I don't have any feedback.
Stick shift is
Stick shift is fun.
So Gio,
not tell a lie.
Alex, how you feeling about learning stick shift? Because I know you were like, maybe it's automatic.
It's very interesting.
Yeah.
No man,
It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
It's a vibe.
Wow.
It's so
I think
cool.
everybody should
My arm
learn.
was converted.
It's fun, right, Wayne?
It have a vibe, no lie. I wouldn't drive stick shift all through traffic at daytime or
No,
whatever,
because
but
we're seeing the clutch.
to
every
have a
5 seconds.
stick shift vehicle,
Yeah.
First car. Stick shift.
I think so. I think everybody's first car should be a stick shift. It train you up.
yeah, it's a lot of
And
concentration.
I think also not just stick shift, but no AC.
No, not that.
No, but the Land Cruiser there is a
Me.
specimen of a vehicle.
Yeah.
No
It's
lie, the
fun.
power in it and the
It's
engine
fun.
and
it stood the test of time over the years, you
and to
know.
have a Stone Love cassette that is just like icing on the cake, you know, bro. Imagine that. Stone Love
It felt like-
98.
it felt
But
like-
they had a fully loaded there.
I know. It felt like stepping back into time.
Killer mash up the fully loaded there, you know.
It's crazy how you're actually.
If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, exactly,
Yes.
bro. Trust me. Memories don't live like people do.
They always remember you.
All right, guys. Somebody has just come to visit me, and he's come bearing a very. I'm very excited about this gift that he has for me and Tammy, but Tammy don't know. So this is a surprise, okay? All right, so here we go now. Yes, okay, MTM family. One boss. Respect. This is the first time I'm meeting in person Mr. Gavin Jordan, right? Some of you may know his name, some of you may know his work. So he's a artist who, for me people, I'm a favorite artist. I'm a favorite artist in Jamaica. I was introduced to one of his pieces at one of my friend's house. And when I saw it, I was just blown away because it was just so creative, and what he did, that was, how many nails would have been used for that?
That piece is about approximately 4,000 screws. Not nails, screws.
Not nails, people.
Screws.
Get it right, no mashi, man. So like 4,000 screws. And when they say screws, you're not gonna know what we are talking about until
you see it.
Until you see it. And people, this is creativity. This is you know, when you know that Jamaican something they will have where we just innovative and just use even regular day-to-day things and just really get creative.
Right.
So this is Gavin Jordan, as I said, my favorite artist now, and I'm going to surprise Tammy.
Yeah.
Don't tell Tammy. We're going inside right now to surprise her with this. Come, I could deal it. So this is it.
Alright, all wrapped.
See them a boss me now. All right. Call mommy. Tammy. This is Gavin Jordan.
Hi, Tommy.
And this is a piece that he has done specially for us. I am super excited to see.
You mean the same Gavin Jordan, the artist whose work we saw at our friend's house?
Yes, ma'am.
So crazy.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
really hope you liked it. It took me about 7 weeks to get it done. It's about 2,700 screws, so you know, a lot of hard work went into it.
I wanted to sit down and ask you how you did this. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you have a couple hours. I'm so excited. What is this? I'm so excited.
Me too.
Hold on.
Alright,
Jackson, look at
alright.
this. Jackson.
Who wanted to do the reveal?
I don't know if it's you or me or no. Yeah, come Tam.
I want to
MoMo.
Alright, you pull that side, Atlas. Wait, Atlas. Oh my.
Says right side up now. Alright.
Oh my goodness, there's 100 nails in it.
Screws. Hold on, Atlas. No, my heart beating fast. Do I just rip this? What do I do?
Hold on, no. I think I should be on the other side.
One point. Can't be real.
Oh my god! That's me! I'm winning! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Alright, so check this out, people. These are screws.
Oh my god!
So he has done the portrait over screws. If you look,
How do you do this?
there's dimension and depth.
Oh my god.
How many thousand screws?
About 2,700.
2,700 screws.
Wow.
This is
Oh my
creativity.
god!
A million screws.
This is creativity at its best.
Put them in first. Oh my god!
Wow.
That's a trade.
Where are we? This is like such a prized possession now.
Oh my god.
Careful. MoMo, this wicked, don't it?
Yes, it's perfect. Oh my god.
And if we miss a screw anywhere, we always have 27. This is wild.
Why, Gavin? I don't know what to say.
It looks good close up, but
it's when you step back.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's do it this way. Let me step back this way. Come this way.
Whoa.
Anywhere you want, put it.
Oh my god! I love it!
Careful, Atlas.
Alice, come here, baby.
Awesome.
Where will they go? Where will they go?
Wow.
Yeah, so from afar you can see it's popping, right?
And that's what was so
Yeah.
amazing to me.
Yeah.
Oh, stop.
Oh yeah. See it start pop
Oh,
different.
yes. So
Pop different from here.
that's so wild. Don't touch
Wicked.
Atlas. Don't touch.
Wicked. The work of Gavin Jordan.
Wait, my
5
name is
years.
with a GY, Gavin.
Hold on, then the yardman thing, man. Watch out, man.
Right?
5 years as an artist, people,
No
and
way.
and coming up with this work.
You're lying.
I don't know, but right now, be a goosebumper technique because wow,
Even
this is
real.
just exquisite, my brother, man. Give thanks and congratulations. I see the pieces sell off in
man,
Island
yeah, man.
Art.
We went into Island Art and we saw your pieces there again. I can't believe that you're in my house. Like we literally were in there and I was just like, Wayne, this is the same artist. It was so
I'm a
exciting.
favorite
I feel
artist.
like it, you know. You know, Travis, that you're this half of it
Yes.
When
took me
you
like 5 weeks, right? That is like 1 week. Tommy taking
Tommy
quite a
took
long
long.
time.
My half
get
took
done.
5 weeks. Sorry,
I
Wayne.
put a lot of passion
You
over
took
this
a-
one. I say, shut. I'm just good up out there.
It's alright.
He said Wayne's part took like a week. I get it. Yeah. Same thing.
Nice, my boss, man.
Thank you
I'm
very,
happy you
very
like
much.
it. You're welcome. You're
Thank you
welcome.
very much.
Let me just move this.
Mommy.
No.
No. These
There's
are
screws.
nails, okay?
There's screws.
Sorry. Screws. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh my lord.
Screws, mommy. Is my favorite artist right now.
His name is Jordan.
Gavin Jordan. Wow.
But it gets better when you're away from it.
This is not possible.
Yes. But wait till Wayne puts it up and you're going to see how cool it looks from there now.
Yeah, it's better from a distance.
Yes, it's different. It's a whole different thing.
That doesn't even make sense.
And then if you go around to the side of it, you have a whole different experience of it. To like if you come around here,
And they're different levels.
yes,
Yeah.
it has elevation.
Yeah, I see that.
Come out.
Nah, that is.
The length of the screws.
Look at Geoffrey.
Just that's actual madness.
How do you think of that?
executed. Think about the time and the
So the
effort.
piece you saw was done with the same thing.
Yes.
Right, so he does different pieces with this type of art. That's his signature style.
Mrs. Mitch, this took him 7 weeks to complete, and
Gavin
there are
Jordan.
2,700 screws.
Screws in there.
Yeah.
2,700.
Wow.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm captivated.